Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I want to talk to you guys about my beautiful experience going to see RBD in concert. With that being said, let's get started. I went to go see RBD in concert with my husband and it was amazing, a beautiful and magical experience, and that is a blessing for us because I know that many people don't get that experience, and if you do, enjoy it. Enjoy it. Don't care who's watching you, don't care who's around you. Just enjoy it. So I'm going to show you my purse. I haven't touched it since the concert, which was yesterday. So this is my purse that I took. I have that in there. Okay. So this that I put in my purse that I took, by the way, I was right about the purse. They were checking the purses at the entrance and they had some people take them to the car. The concert was amazing, hands down, amazing. Save Mart Center has a lot to work with, a lot of things that went super wrong, very disappointing in the whole arena. But the actual concert, the RBD concert, was amazing. So we got these little bracelets that they wanted at the end of the concert. But come on, everybody paid for their ticket and they paid a lot. So take them. And I saw everybody taking them apart from like a couple people that were putting them there. We got this poster. And it says Soy Rebelde Tour 2023 VIP. And then we did get these little bags that contain this notebook with this pen. Soy Rebelde Tour 2023. Then you have this bookmark with all the tour dates. And then of course, this notebook, which is just blank. And then you also got a badge that says Soy Rebelde Tour VIP 2023. And my purse, this is what I took. I know many of you guys wanted to see what I took in here, and this is what I took. Of course, I took my phone in this side, but I have it out right now. So I took my little wallet in here. I took my lipstick, some Kleenex, some Altoids, some migraine pills, lip balm, lip liner, and then lip gloss. That's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.